So if you want to make money or start your own business in 2025, these are 7 profitable business you can start with just small money or no money at all. And you can be making like 5,000 Ghana cedis or more every single month. The last business is the easiest to start with no capital or skills. You can start making money as soon as you start. Make sure to watch this video to the end and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. The first profitable business to start in 2025 is an online store or mini importation. So this is all about importing affordable, high demand products from places like China or Turkey and reselling them in Ghana. You can also, start selling online by going to Accra or going to Kumasi, big cities, and buying stuff from places like Countermanto and all those big cities and selling them online. You can start your own online store, or you can even sell it on social media places like TikTok or Instagram. Imagine importing skincare products like organic face mask or cheap female clothing from China to Ghana. With minimal investments, you can start small and grow gradually. Plus, you also get access to set your own prices and you work from the comfort of your home. So I have a friend who sells ladies wear, a guy who sells ladies wear, and he makes like 3 million Ghana cedis a year. But wait, he did not start making this 3 million a year at once. He started very small, making few hundreds or thousands a month. He used social media to help him market, and one day he started getting a lot of orders and he was able to scale up his website and added some friends to join him to help him out. So if you are really serious about, starting a business, you can start selling things online or, doing mini importation. But if you don't want to do mini importation, you can actually go to places like Kantamanto, Accra, to do all those places and go and do this mass shopping, and or even go and buy a bale of phones and come start selling them online, and you will be surprised the amount of money that you start making. So to get started to this, the first thing you need to do is to source your products. It depends on what products you want to start. So either you want to go into fashion, skincare, or something, you can actually source everything online from Alibaba or 1688. And after you are done with the sourcing, you go to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even Facebook Marketplace to start promoting. You understand? You can even sell some on Gigi. So you don't need to be on only one platform. You can actually sell it on TikTok, Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, Gigi, and so many on. There are so many places that you can sell. Online, you can go live and start selling. I have female friends who sell their products online, TikTok live, and it's going very well for them. So if you really want to start a business, selling online or mini importation can really help you a lot. The second one on the list is freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or even programming, you can work with clients worldwide from the comfort of your home. As someone who enjoys designing and developing, you could offer web design services to businesses online from home without any money. So with web design, you can actually be home and build your own businesses on Instagram or even on TikTok, and start creating websites for small businesses and large businesses from home. All you need to do is to brand yourself and you can make it. So freelancing allows you to earn in dollars if you are doing it online. If you are using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com, you can actually get a lot of clients from outside and you can earn in dollars. So to get started, all you need to do is to have a skill. If you don't have a skill, you can buy an online course or use YouTube to study a free course in demand like web design, video editing, which is one of the most important jobs out there, graphic design, and many more. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr. Even on Instagram, you can find clients on Instagram, do some paid ads. If you don't have money, you can create a Facebook page and also an Instagram page and start posting. Share your services to groups and even on your WhatsApp. If you have money, if you really want to scale, then the best thing is to create an ad and start promoting your services online. And you'll be surprised the number of others you start getting. And it's also important to create a portfolio, showcase your best work, and start advertising your work on Facebook and Instagram. There is so much potential in freelancing, I'm telling you, which can make you over 100,000 Ghana cedis or $100,000 a year, depending on where you are. I encourage you to sign up for my web design masterclass, where you learn to build your own websites and even start your own web design business from the comfort of your home and make thousands every month. Click the link in the description below to register my web design course. Drop servicing is the third on the list. So drop servicing is an innovative twist on freelancing. So instead of you offering the service yourself, you act as a middleman, outsourcing the work to other freelancers at a lower cost. So imagine setting up a web design business where you charge, let's say, 5,000 Ghana cedis per website. You can hire a freelancer to do the job for you for, let's say, 3,500 or even 4,000 or even 3,000 cedis, and you keep the profit. You get it? You don't need to be an expert in this field. All you need is a marketing skill and reliable freelancers to do your job for you. So if you want to start a video editing business, you can actually get people who are very good in doing this video editing. And when you get the gigs, you push it to them, you ask them the amount they want to charge, you go to your clients and charge them the amount. And at the end of the day, you deduct your profits and you give the freelancer or the business that you are working with their cut. You get it? If you want to get started, you can build a professional website, listen your services. Then you also need to market to small businesses that need your services online. On social media or WhatsApp status, and ensure timely delivery by working with skilled freelancers. You have to make sure that the freelancers that you are working with are very good and they are very fast in delivering your services. The fourth one on the list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is more like a business, you understand? It's a great way to earn money online. It looks more like drop service, but with this one, it's a twist. You promote products or services for companies. It's more like a commission based. You earn commission for every sale that you make through a code or a number or even a unique link that they give you. When someone buys from the referral code or link that they've given you, you make profit. You could join affiliate programs like Amazon Affiliate or even Tendo app. Tendo has a referral program that you actually refer people to buy from them, and whenever someone buys with your link, you get a commission. You actually even set your own price. You can actually put any amount that you want to make on the product and you sell it. So anytime someone buys these products, you get your sale or you get a commission for the products that you've sold. So I'll be doing more videos on affiliate marketing. I've been in affiliate marketing for a very long time. I'll actually do more videos on affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you don't need to stock products or handle customer services like with your own online store or mini importation or even drop servicing. All you do is you keep your earning passively as long as people use your link to buy. So as me being a content creator, what I can do is, I can give you referral codes or, referral links for you to register a product or a service. And whenever you use the link to register, I make a little commission. Sometimes it's not very big. For example, Amazon affiliates like this, you get like 1%, 2%, 3%, 5% per product. But at least if there are a lot of people using your link to register, you can make enough money. So to get started, all you need to do is to sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Digistore 24, or even Tendo app if you are in Ghana. Then you share the links through either creating a blog or YouTube videos, TikTok videos, or even putting them on your WhatsApp status and selling them. Make sure that you focus on creating valuable content that encourages clicks and purchases. So if you want to sell, you have to do content, or even if you don't want to do content, you have to put it in a place that people will be able to use your link to buy. So the fifth profitable business you can start is digital marketing agency. Starting a digital marketing agency is a fantastic option for anyone skilled in social media, content creation, or advertising. So, if you are very good in creating videos or creating posts or even writing blogs, digital marketing is a great way to build your own business. You could actually help small businesses run effective Facebook or Instagram ads to reach more customers. Social media is actually a great business that you can start, and you can make a lot of money. When you are able to advertise people's business and they are getting sales, they will come back and always, get your service. You can earn recurring income from monthly retainers, and you also get flexibility to choose your clients that you want to work with. So to be a digital marketer, you can be a social media manager by managing companies or small businesses, social media for them. Posting things that they want, taking pictures and posting it for them. And you can also do email marketing. You charge monthly fees or you can charge per project. And you can also upsell premium services like video production or SEO. If you want to be a digital marketer, all you need to do is, go to YouTube, or you can buy courses online. You learn and you can start your own business from home. The next on the list is content creation. Content creation is huge right now. Whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, like what I'm doing now, it's my business. You can build following and monetize it. You can monetize, with content creation in so many ways. You could start a YouTube channel sharing tips on how to cook different dishes. You have a skill that you are good at. You can gain a lot of followers. It will surprise you the number of views you will start accumulating, which automatically generates a lot of cash in the long term. You can build a personal brand like I've done mine, and also earn from ad revenue. You understand? So content creation has endless opportunities. You can make a lot of money if you take it very serious. So to get started, all you need to do is to create a niche content like, let's say, food, tech reviews, or DIY tutorials. Monetize through adverts, ads, sponsorship, and you can also make a lot of money from affiliate links. To earn more money, you need to be consistent. You get it? You can't just sleep and you expect just posting 1 or 2 videos to make you money. You need to engage with your audience to grow your followers and be consistent. Post a lot of videos or several videos in a week. The last one I want to talk about is print on demand business. Print on demand business has been there for a very long time. I've actually been doing print on demand for a very long time. Unfortunately, we don't have print on demand in Ghana right now or Africa. I don't know if there is, but print on demand has been there in the US and Europe for a very long time. With print on demand, you create designs and sell designs on products like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs without even holding an inventory. All you do is create designs. It can be animated characters, or you can create designs featuring Ghanaian proverbs and Afrocentric art and sell them globally. Print on demand has no or low startup cost, and you have the ability to sell internationally through platforms like Redbubble, Printful, Etsy. There are so many print on demand services that you can use. Unfortunately, Etsy is not available in all countries, but you can use Redbubble or Teespring, where they have a platform for you to actually upload and sell. I have been selling on Redbubble, which is one of the great places to sell your print on demand if you want to start a print on demand. If you want to start some in Ghana here, you can actually do this with our local printing businesses. You can start selling your product, design unique products using tools like Canva, then upload your designs on platforms like Printful or Teespring or Redbubble. With that, if you want to sell it outside, then you can advertise it through Instagram, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Facebook Marketplace, GT, so many places, you understand. So a simple but smart way is, as I said, is to create your own designs, and you can use printing companies to sell your designs on merch, which doesn't need any capital. So whenever someone purchases from you, you take your design and give it to the printing company, and the printing company will put your design on the merch and they'll do it for you. Very simple, and you can start selling online. I actually have a printing business that we do that. So we're actually building a print on demand business in Ghana here. I will share with you very soon. But as for this, you can use any printing business and you can make a lot of money. So if you want to start a profitable business online, or you are looking for new opportunities to make thousands of dollars or cedis aside from your 9 to 5 job, these are 7 online businesses ideas that I just shared with you today. So which one of these are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.